Jai Sri Krishna. Welcome you all to my channel. Today's RHCSA exam question is: locate SSHD config file to copy all uncommented lines in the same order under MNT directory named as list1.txt file. Let's start. Type the following command to locate the path of SSHD config file. This is the full path of SSHD config file. Let's view the contents of that file. Among the numerous of commented lines, we found here only 3 uncommented lines. First one start with include word. Second one start with authorized keys file word. And third or last one start with subsystem word. Now type the following command to copy all uncommented lines of SSHD config file to list1.txt file under MNT directory. Let's view the contents of list1.txt file. Our question has been resolved successfully. Hope this video will be useful to you. Please like, share and subscribe this channel to boost us to make more knowledgeable tutorial videos. Thank you.